I did this look or whatever. Keep. What? You didn't see how I got this look. Keep watching. Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. I turned into a different person when I got makeup on. Feeling real cute. Welcome back to my channel, or welcome to my channel. Today is going to be a spring makeup look. This is my first look that's not basic for once. It's actually creative, or at least I tried. And yeah, it doesn't feel like spring, but I look like spring, you know. You feel me? So it's been recording this whole time. Yeah, I was ready. Hey guys, it's Leek, and today I'm gonna do it's spring break. Don't feel like it, but I'm gonna do a spring makeup tutorial. I did a poll on my Instagram, and most people wanted to see a peach eye look, so I'm gonna do a peach eye look. No, it's not bright and colorful outside. Literally, like the weather is the opposite. It's pouring, but I'm gonna do my makeup nice. Look at my hair. My sister did my hair. Shout out to her. She's over there. Alright, so getting into this makeup tutorial, I always start out with my brows using Anastasia Dipbrow Pomade. Same as always, I do a line on bottom, a line on top, and I do a little fade in the front, and the darkest part of my brow will be the end. Now jumping over to eyeshadow, since that is the main focus of this look. For this entire eye look, I used the 3502 palette and the Take Me to Brazil palette by BH Cosmetics. I used the peachy tones that are all in the shades in the palettes. Wow, that came out wrong. All the peachy shades that are in the palettes. Started out with a really light one. I put a dark one a little bit lower directly on my crease, and then I added the Stila liquid really shimmery base for the peach eyeshadow that I was going to use, because it was more of a shimmer pigment than the eyeshadow. And basically I got that to look really intense while the rest of the eye look was pretty smoked out. Now moving on to foundation, I use the Fenty stick.
I'm a little bitch who will never know where I stay, but yo, I'ma stay on the 6 and I know where your granny lay.
Yeah, no privacy with a sister. But anyways, I tried this out for the first time as a foundation because it's more of a concealer stick, and I actually really liked it. And for concealer, I always use Nars Radiant Creamy Concealer. I love this. Contour, I'm using the same Fenty contouring stick, well, the same formula. It's the stick version. I use this one in Truffle to contour my cheekbones, my nose, and my forehead, and I blended it out with a Real Techniques Expert face brush. I love this brush for contouring. When it comes to face powders, I have a few favorites, but in this video I am using my Laura Mercier Translucent to set my eyes and my smile lines. And to set that creamy contour, I have always used this bronzer. It's the Too Faced Chocolate Cocoa Powder one in dark chocolate. This is my favorite bronzer of all time. Now, making the yellow underline part of my eye was pretty hard because I realized I didn't have a yellow eyeliner, the pencil version. So I used a brush and a very bright eyeshadow, and it was a mess. My eyeball's turning yellow. Huh? My eyeball's turning yellow. Yo, eyeball. It's my contact. applying a little bit of mascara before I put on my lashes. Like I said, I'm using the D119s from Dodolashes. I do have a code with them. These are the most comfortable lashes I've ever worn, and they are so affordable. And if you use my code, which is my name, Angelic Vasquez, you save a lot on them too. And like I said in the previous clip, I thought this eye look looked way better once I put on lashes. It looked a lot more put together. And these are honestly my everyday lashes. I never get tired of looking at them. But now I'm applying highlighter to the essential areas, inner corners, brow bone, nose, cheekbones. I'ma pick with some friends. I'ma pick with some friends. I decided afterwards that Trophy Wife probably looked a lot better with this eye look, so I just replaced all the highlighter I already had on with Trophy Wife to make it a bit more intense and golden.
What about it? On my highlight?
Alright guys, this is the finished look. It's peach and yellow on the bottom. Can't even see the yellow, but who cares? This look reminds me of springtime. The definition of spring. Yeah, make sure you thumbs up this video, comment, subscribe, turn on your post notifications for some more leak in your life. Make sure you watch my other videos too. I do vlogs, I've done challenges, but my main focus is going to be makeup tutorials. And
look at her, she looks beautiful.
Make sure you guys subscribe for some more leak in your life. See you in the next one.
Here, you turn that down.